Select Volkswagen cars are set to become more expensive next month as the German car maker has announced a price hike ranging between 2% and 5% on the Polo, Vento and Taygun offerings. The price hike will be effective from the 1st of January 2022, and the rise in input and operational costs have led to the increase according to the company. The automaker also said that it has tried not to shift the entire cost burden onto its customers. Volkswagen also clarified that the recently launched Tiguan facelift will not be affected by the price hike. Other car makers who have announced price increments for the new year include Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Skoda Auto, Toyota and Mercedes-Benz. Even two-wheeler manufacturers including Hero MotoCorp, Honda Two Wheelers India, Royal Enfield, TVS, Yamaha India, Kawasaki and Ducati will be increasing the prices on select models from January 2022. Tata Motors has established a new division called Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Limited and has invested 700 crore rupees in the same. The new wholly owned subsidiary has been created to develop and manufacture electric vehicles. The automaker received the certificate of incorporation from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs on 21st of December 2021, the company announced in a regulatory filing. Back in October this year, the company shared plans regarding investing around $2 billion in the electric vehicles business over the next 5 years. Tata Motors had also raised funds from private equity firm TPG around the same period and had agreed to invest around $1 million over expansion in the EV business. Bengaluru-based energy startup Log9 Materials unveiled its new advanced battery and energy storage technologies for electric vehicles. The company showcased its advanced InstaCharge battery that has been integrated into Hero electric scooters. The new battery can be charged in 15 minutes using a standard car charging point and has been designed specifically for Indian conditions. The InstaCharge battery promises a life of 15 years, while the company claims to have tested the batteries across temperatures between -30 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. The batteries have an operational life of up to 40,000 charge cycles. Log9 Materials is partnering with electric two-wheeler makers like Hero Electric and Okaya to supply its new InstaCharge batteries. The company is also developing batteries for Omega Seki's three-wheelers. Log9 will be working on developing batteries only in the commercial electric vehicle space and plans to expand to electric four-wheelers, buses and trucks in the future.
The batteries that we're making are high C-rate batteries and they are designed to absorb a lot more charge, and that InstaCharge conversation then happens, the charger then starts to pump in 200 amps of current that goes straight into the batteries, and then our batteries are happy within 15 minutes, take you everywhere you want to go.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.